I'm an acquaintance of your father's. I have a gift. I was instructed to bring you this.
I'll pretend my dad doesn't exist and he can forget about me too.
These were your father's belongings. Mr. Song Gi-yun has passed away. Before he died, he left these things for you, Ka-young.
Горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.